This is the Sansui SC-1100 stereo cassette deck. I got it off eBay a while ago, and I had to replace the belt and lubricate the motor. And, well, it wasn't cheap, this thing, but it was worth it, because this is really a very high quality, really nice cassette deck. And I'll play a song now, which I recorded on this cassette deck. This cassette deck has a direct-o-matic loading system, also really nice. And if I turn it on, you can see it even lights up the counter. I really like that. When I play the song, I'll turn off the lights so that you can see how it looks. Well, now one thing I have to say is that the VO meters are not the best. This was one of the first recordings I made on this unit, and, well, I set the levels like I usually do, that the meters go up to 0 dB. Well, and I didn't notice that the meters were very slow, and so this recording here is slightly overdriven. It goes up to like 8 dB, so, well, VO meters are really not the best. But anyway, let's play the song and let's see how it sounds. Let's take a look at the features. We have the power switch right there and the phone's jack. Then all the usual buttons: record, rewind, play, fast forward, pause and stop. This tape lead-in button, I absolutely don't know what that does. I pressed it during record, during playback, and it does nothing. Absolutely nothing. Then we have the tape selector. This cassette deck plays normal cassettes, chrome and ferrochrome cassettes. We have Dolby noise reduction and an input selector, and then the input level regulator and the microphone inputs, VO meters and the record LED, then the counter, and that's it. This cassette deck was made in 1978, and yeah, really high quality machine. I have it hooked up to my Sharp receiver and the very high quality keyed Coda speakers. And this is the inside of the Sansui cassette deck. We have a Sansui transformer, circuit board for the voltage selector. Right now I've selected 240 volts. You can select 240, 220, 120 and 100 volts. Circuit board of the power supply, the control of the mechanism, and the circuit board for the audio. I used those really weird looking parts here, say low pass filter and the CV meters, switches, potentiometers, all that stuff. The motor, I had to lubricate the motor and I had to replace that flat belt down there. The mechanism is pretty simple but very high quality.